going on, guys? This is Nick here, giving you another Boom Beat video. Today, OP attack for us, guys. Wow, we can go pretty high. Then we're going to go to Inspiration 4. Okay, so let's get started. Backflips. Right? Yeah, black flip. Oh, so zoom out for you guys see it. There you guys go. So he's barraging at the back. There we go. Guys, in my next video, I will be doing Slario. I already said it. Slario something. I can't pronounce it. I do not know why, but I can not pronounce it. Oh my gosh. Rocket, seriously, you're bad. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you do an operation attack, you only got one attack at this. You don't have a million. You only have one attack. So this guy was useless. He just wanted to make him look good. He just wanted to look good. So he sabotaged it. He just wastes his intel. That guy just wastes his intel. I don't know what to tell you guys. But this space really did get us. This base really got us. For some reason. This guy didn't even finish reinforcing. Look at that, guys. Some people are dumb. Okay? I'm sorry to say, but some people are just dumb. Just so dumb. Guys. I just don't know what to tell you. Just really. Some people are just so dumb. I don't know what this guy's doing. Just that this guy's just stupid. Okay, guys. This guy's just stupid. Seriously. Stupid. This guy is badly stupid. Because that's what happens to you. I don't know what this guy's thinking. Just some people are just stupid. Okay, guys. But guys, I hope you're not upset that now I'm not doing the videos with my friends anymore. Cause I can see if you're upset, cause we were really awesome together. We seriously were awesome. You really just were awesome. We're just awesome together. And I think I will get music on now. I may start getting my music on. I'm going to see if I can do a video and play music. I don't know. I'll post a video with the music and it's on. But at least Dear did a good job. I see that he wants to save money. But guys, these rockets are monstrous. Guys, they seriously are monstrous. But I'm fine with it that he retreated. I'm seriously fine with that. He had a good reason, so he has to retreat. Now guys, this takes the whole thing. Okay guys? That's what I did. That's the problem about doing this stuff. I'm terrible. Now some of my guys didn't make it. What you guys see here? Only 3 sponges actually made it. 2. So yeah guys, I'm going to speed this up. Make some 2 minutes to more like 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Now you see that the heavies are taking forever. They take forever to destroy stuff. They're just sitting there doing everything in the world. But I didn't want to retreat. Even though there were only 2 heavies, I still just didn't want to retreat. Because guys, remember what this is. This is only a 1-thing attack. Do the best that you can. Not like what Black Tips did. He's just such a bad guy. He's so bad. That I just retreated for fun. Because I knew I'd start to run out of time. So then I sabotage it. Make that 4. Because I really wanted to remark what I did. I just seriously wanted to remark. But I made it easier to shock for a lot of people. A lot of people that don't know how to shock. Ooh, but the problem is that we did. However, I liked what this guy did. The problem is that the rock is just shooting. That volley can hit one of his troops. That's the thing. Now you're dead. This guy's smart. He actually destroyed all the rockets to those 2 tanks. He was able to do it. I love one of these things. We'll be carried to 6. That means for dodging. So the ones that they're really dying really fast. Gets that flamethrower, guys. Yeah, you went from 2 to 3. So you only had 5 with him. I'm going to speed this up again. Because unless you don't want to see 2 tanks and a couple of heavy shooting. Yeah, but he does destroy it. Sometimes I think like I'll come in at the end. But remember guys, you saw I only had those 2 tiny heavies. That's it. And look what I did. Unlike Black Imps, he didn't even want to try. Guys, with my beach ball. I'm kidding, not a beach ball. But guys, seriously. Oh, sorry if you can't hear me go when I was facing that way. Sorry. Then he just ran out of time. Hey, we're going to do this fast. Right, guys? We want to go through this fast. Hey, but I really want to get music on here. That way it's not just like silent. I don't know what to do with music. Maybe I'll just use the radio. I don't know right now. But I think that's what I'll do. See guys, that's how awesome people are nowadays. That's how awesome we are. This task force, that's how awesome. Right guys, that's how awesome we are. So let me start this operation. Da-da-da. Bum bum. Do. Oh, you guys know what's coming up. You guys know what's coming up. Oh my gosh. Rockets have more range than shock blasters, guys, I think. Wait, shock blasters have that much? Rockets have, oh my, what? Oh my, what, guys? Oh my, what? Maybe they have the same? It's like that. It's like that. And that's like, oh my gosh. Rockets just have a teensy bitty more. So I'm just kind of giving you a preview. But yeah, guys, that will have to wrap it up for our video. And I will see you guys next time.